NASA is about to make history again, sending astronauts around the moon for the first time in over 50 years. But what exactly is Artemis 2, and why is everyone talking about it? This mission isn't just another spaceflight. It's a giant leap toward returning humans to the moon and eventually exploring Mars. Artemis 2 will carry astronauts farther from Earth than almost anyone has gone in decades, testing technology, training crews, and paving the way for permanent lunar exploration. By the end of this video, you'll understand who's flying, what they'll do, and why Artemis 2 could mark the beginning of a new era in space travel. The Artemis program is NASA's bold plan to return humans to the moon, and this time, stay longer and go further than ever before. It's named after Artemis, the twin sister of Apollo in Greek mythology, symbolizing the program's goal, to bring the first woman and the next man to the lunar surface. Before Artemis 2, NASA launched Artemis 1, an uncrewed test flight that successfully sent the Orion spacecraft around the moon and back. Artemis 1 proved that the rocket, capsule, and all systems could handle the journey safely, essentially laying the groundwork for humans to follow. Artemis 2 will be the first crewed mission in the program. Unlike Artemis 1, astronauts will be on board, testing life support systems, spacecraft operations, and emergency procedures while orbiting the moon. This is a huge step, because it's one thing to send machines into space. It's another to safely send people into deep space for the first time in decades. The Artemis program isn't just about one mission. It's part of a long-term vision to build a sustainable presence on the moon, explore new technologies, and eventually prepare for human missions to Mars. Every test flight, orbit, and experiment brings NASA closer to making that vision a reality. In short, Artemis 2 is more than just a flight. It's the bridge between our past with Apollo and the future of human space exploration. And the success of this mission could set the stage for humanity's next giant leap. Artemis 2 will carry 4 astronauts on a journey around the moon, making it NASA's first crewed lunar mission in over 50 years. The crew includes highly trained pilots, engineers, and scientists, each with a specific role to ensure the mission runs smoothly. The astronauts will travel in the Orion spacecraft, a high-tech capsule designed to keep them safe in deep space. Orion is equipped with life support systems, navigation tools, communication devices, and emergency protocols to handle anything that might come up during the mission. The flight plan is ambitious. Orion will launch atop the Space Launch System, SLS, rocket, orbit the moon, and then return safely to Earth. During the journey, astronauts will test spacecraft systems in real conditions, practice maneuvers, and gather crucial data that will help prepare for future missions to the lunar surface. What makes Artemis 2 truly historic is that it's more than just a test flight, it's a full crewed mission venturing farther from Earth than almost anyone has gone in decades. Every orbit, every check, and every procedure will pave the way for future lunar landings and eventually, missions to Mars. Sending humans beyond Earth's orbit is no small feat, and Artemis 2 is packed with cutting-edge technology to make it possible. At the heart of the mission is the Space Launch System, SLS, the most powerful rocket NASA has ever built, capable of lifting Orion, its crew, and all necessary supplies toward the moon. Inside Orion, life support systems carefully regulate air, water, and temperature, keeping astronauts safe in the harsh environment of space. Advanced navigation and communication systems ensure the spacecraft stays on course and remains in contact with mission control on Earth. Radiation is another major concern, as astronauts will be exposed to cosmic rays far beyond the protection of Earth's atmosphere. Orion's shielding is specially designed to minimize this risk. Microgravity presents its own challenges, affecting everything from muscle strength to equipment operation. Every experiment, every procedure, and every test conducted on Artemis II will teach NASA how to keep astronauts healthy and productive on future lunar missions. This mission is not just a flight, it's a crucial learning platform for humanity's next giant leap, helping engineers and scientists solve problems before we send crews to the moon's surface and beyond. Artemis II isn't just another space mission, it's a historic milestone. It marks the first time humans have traveled beyond low Earth orbit since the Apollo missions more than 50 years ago. This mission connects the achievements of the past with the future of space exploration, showing how far technology and human ambition have come. Unlike Apollo, Artemis II benefits from modern innovations, advanced computers, safer spacecraft materials, and international collaboration. It's not only about going farther, it's about learning to stay longer, travel safer, and explore deeper. The mission inspires engineers, scientists, and everyday people alike, reminding us that the moon is not just a distant rock, but a stepping stone to the rest of the solar system. Every orbit around the moon, every system test, and every observation from this mission adds to humanity's knowledge and keeps the dream of deep space exploration alive. Artemis II is more than a mission around the moon, it's the first step toward a sustainable human presence in space. By testing spacecraft systems and life support with real astronauts on board, NASA is preparing for future lunar landings, moon bases, and even missions to Mars. The mission also inspires innovation here on Earth. Every advancement in materials, navigation, and safety has potential applications in medicine, engineering, and technology. Artemis II reminds us that space exploration isn't just about reaching new worlds, it's about pushing the limits of what humans can achieve. In the coming years, the data and experience from Artemis II will guide every mission beyond Earth orbit, shaping the future of human space travel. For now, it stands as a symbol of ambition, courage, and curiosity, showing that humanity's journey to the moon is only just beginning.